I ran one 60-minute workshop from a Bangkok co-cafe and walked away with $2,370. No clients, no hourly slog. 2 hours a week to keep it selling. Here's how I built that pipeline. Welcome. I'm Marcus Chen.
Love that. Quick reaction. That sentence just solved the "is this real?" question for listeners. So show me the receipts, not just the dollar figure, but how someone actually gets from zero to that first sale.
Short version, pick a tight outcome, price a seat, promote to an engaged list or targeted ads, run one great session, and turn the recording into an evergreen product. Numbers example, $79 seat, 30 buyers. That's $2,370. 2 of those a month, or 1 live plus evergreen sales, and you out-earn a typical month of project work for many freelancers.
Right, that's plausible. But I want friction early. Automation sounds sexy, but it also risks sounding robotic. Hold that thought, we'll come back to QA. First, people need the exact stack and the scripts they can paste.
Agreed. Let me break the stock into bite-sized pieces so listeners can picture each handoff. My go-to principle: AI for the brainwork, no code for the plumbing.
Scripts and presenter notes, ChatGPT or Claude.
Right.
Slides, Canva or Dectopus. Recording and tidy edit, Descript. Payments, Stripe or Gumroad.
Wait, slow down. That wiring part is where people panic. Keep going, but give me the plumbing line next.
Calendly plus Zoom for live seats. Zapier or Make to stitch signups, payments, and replays. ConvertKit to run emails and host the landing page if you want everything simple. Then one human QA step between each handoff. That last bit is non-negotiable.
That human QA line, love it. Before we jump to prompts, give listeners a concrete example they can picture. Plug a real workshop niche into your process.
Example: LinkedIn profile sprint for freelance designers. A tight outcome: get a freelance-ready profile that attracts clients in 60 minutes. Now the exact prompt I used to build the outline.
You are a senior instructor. Produce a tight 60-minute workshop outline for niche topic, including a 10-minute intro, 3 teachable frameworks with timing, a 10-minute live demo or case study, and a 10-minute Q&A. Add 3 practical takeaways and a paid next step offer. Plug in the LinkedIn title and you get a ready structure.
Nice. That removes blank page paralysis. But what about slide generation? People freeze when they face a deck.
Totally. Try this next prompt.
Convert the workshop outline into 12 slides. For each slide, give a short headline, 3 bullet points, and a concise 60 to 90 word speaker script that sounds natural and conversational for live delivery. Feed that into Canvas AI or Dectopus, and you have near polished slides.
Do people use those scripts word for word, though?
No, skim them. Personalize the phrasing so it sounds like you. Then run one live pilot to test timing and clarity. The teleprompter version is there to stop freeze, not to replace your voice.
Okay, good. Now walk me through the minimal wiring steps listeners can implement in a single afternoon. Quick bullets, not a novel.
Gotcha. 5 quick setup steps. 1. Publish a 1-page landing with outcome, price, and Stripe or Gumroad buy button. 2. Set Calendly for the live date and auto-add Zoom. 3. Build a 4-email sequence in ConvertKit. Confirmation, 24-hour reminder, 1 hour, 15-minute. 4. Record the session into script and do a 10 to 15-minute edit. 5. Zapier detects the Descript export and emails buyers their replay link. That's the minimal funnel.
Short question, how much time do people actually spend after the build to keep this running?
If you automate smartly and keep 1 QA pass per replay, expect under 2 hours per week, monitoring sales, quick edits, and a weekly promotion burst. The real heavy lift is the first 90 minutes of productizing your content. After that, it's amplification and optimization.
Okay, but I want to circle back to my earlier friction. Over-automation kills repeat buyers. Put that right after the money math, so listeners don't think they can fully press set and forget.
Absolutely. You should never hand automation the customer experience without human checks. Always pilot 1 live session, gather feedback, and then automate. Add these quick quality controls. Factual check the AI outputs, personalize 1 follow-up email per cohort, enable captions into script, and keep a beta group for the first 2 evergreen buyers.
Those touches keep the product premium while the funnel scales.
Legal and IP, another red flag. What concrete steps do you take there?
Run AI examples through a review. If code snippets or frameworks look similar to a known proprietary source, rewrite them. Attribute public domain or quoted material, and export your buyer list and content regularly so you're not locked into one platform. Those are simple operational protections.
Give listeners a ready-to-use QA checklist they can run in 10 minutes before flipping automation on.
5-minute pre-launch QA. 1. Run a live pilot and record it. 2. Fact-check scripts and demos. 3. Confirm payment flow and test the Zap that adds buyers to Zoom and email. 4. Export and check the Descript replay and captions. 5. Send the funnel to 3 beta buyers and collect feedback. If any step fails, fix it before you go evergreen.
Curious. Final practical push. What can someone do in the next 90 minutes to get momentum?
3 actions you can finish in 90 minutes. 1. Pick a narrow outcome and title. Try the LinkedIn profile sprint example. 2. Run the workshop outline prompt we shared to produce the 60-minute structure. 3. Build a simple landing page with a payment button and open 5 paid seats to friends or first customers. That creates a testable product you can improve.
If listeners want templates, Marcus is opening the Workshop Factory Starter Kit. Prompts, landing page copy, email sequences, and Zapier recipes. Also, we created a 1-page cheat sheet you can download to run the 90-minute starter without guesswork.
Exactly. The starter kit speeds your launch 2-3x. Enroll at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses to get the full automation blueprints and the cheat sheet. This changes everything for nomads when you pair it with disciplined execution. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.
Test once, fix fast, and charge for real value. Tell us how your first workshop goes. We read every good story.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. See you tomorrow. Same time, new tactic. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary.